only played like the first couple of hours of it. I'm a massive fan of the Alien Isolation world, and I think the story that they shared on the first game was really well done. Alien Isolation, you're basically Ripley's daughter that goes out and tries to find the ship, the Nostromo, find the wreckage of the ship Nostromo and what happened to the crew. You come across a mining station or a station not far from who picked up the Nostromo's distress call. You're kind of thrown into a hell, right? That is the alien world where, and I think this is where they got the line right with the feeling right with the game, is they basically gave you no weapons whatsoever to fight the aliens. You can't kill the aliens, right? But at the time, it was it wasn't revolutionary, but it was something fresh. Before that, you had games such as the Alien vs Predator, Alien Marines, I think it was called. And basically, there was no fear factor with those games. When they announced the release of this game, Alien Isolation game, where you literally didn't have any weapons to fight these aliens, you were basically just supposed to survive. I think that actually started, well, it didn't start, but it helped to bring forward the survival horror genre, right? I think that the Alien Isolation 2 is going to be an interesting one, because it looks like they're going planet side. If you saw the trailer, the teaser trailer, it does look like they're going to go planet side with it. So that should be interesting. A lot of people are saying, could it be part of the Alien world or Alien story still? Maybe it's the colony that was on Alien 2, where Ripley and the Marines have to go and figure out what happened to, was it Hadrian's? Something Hadrian. I can't remember the exact name of the way station. I'm hoping that's the case, that we're now planet side on a colony, a Weyland.
5 minutes later.
Weyland-Yutani? I think that's how you say it. When we're on one of those planets, and we have to go and figure out what's going on. Unless it can't be. I'm hoping it's not going to be a continuation of the first one, because I want them to kind of branch out a little bit with the franchise. I don't want them to give us a weapon, like an actual gun. I want them still to have that sense of survival horror to the franchise, rather than just making it a straight up shooter. I think that would actually ruin the franchise. Yeah, hopefully it's going to be another smash hit and the horror genre continues, right?